guys, what is up? It is LC coming at you with another video. And today, for the very first time, I am going to be using my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. It's the one with all the crazy colors in it, and I'm really interested in this. I think they all look super beautiful. I also want to say before we jump into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this from me. And yeah, let's just get going. So this is from her new line, I guess you could call it, the Obsessions palettes. Each one is based off of certain tones and colors. She also has the Mauve Obsessions, which is also another one that's very popular. I've seen a lot of people using that one. There's also the Warm Brown Obsessions, and then the Smoky Obsessions, which I have not seen a lot of people using that one. All of them go for $27 US dollars. I do know the prices can be a little different depending on where you are, but here in the US it is $27. These pan sizes are the same size as the ones that she used in her two full-size palettes. I guess that's supposed to make up for how small this actually is. I know a lot of people have been complaining about the size of this, but I honestly do not care. I think it's just great that the pans are actually a full-size pan. They're holding the amount of shadow that you would need anyways. Do I think the price could be a little bit lower though? Yes. I really don't see why this needs to be about $30 when it is a mini size palette. I thought for the price, this was a pretty good option to be able to try out her brand for the first time and see if I like it and see if it's worthwhile. But like I said, the pricing is still kind of, you know, just, you know. I'm gonna dip into this candy baby pink here. Definitely picked up quite a bit, which is nice. All right off the bat, I can see that it's not super pigmented, but I also am using it on a fluffy brush, so obviously that's going to diffuse the color quite a bit. I actually really like how it's going on kind of lightly so I can build to what I want, which is actually really good. I've got that all blown out and blended out how I want it. So I'm gonna take my M513 and I'm going to dip into this hot pink right here. And I'm just going to focus that mostly in the crease. Just deepen that pink even more, packing it right in there. And then slowly windshield wiper motions like that. So far, these colors are just blending beautifully. They are taking hardly any effort, and as long as you go carefully, they don't blend out completely. I mean, the pigment is still there. This hot pink is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take my Fix Plus now, wet my brush, and take some of this light blue right here. This is a shimmer shade, so I'm going to put that on my lid. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see the fallout that is all happening. I mean, that's not too bad, but it is quite a bit, so just watch out for that. I should have laid some powder down, but I just didn't think it was gonna be that much. Oh, and it's kind of staining my face too. Oh no, my face is blue. On my M506, I'm going to take that hot pink and bring it down a little bit more. Oh, it's kind of turning purple. Cute. I mean, that straight up just turned purple. Because you can see I'm adding it to this side more because I want to bring it down more. And this is clearly hot pink and this has clearly turned purple. Just, wasn't expecting that to happen. And see, this is kind of how it looks going on without any Fix Plus or any wetting of the brush. So, I mean, you can see there's a difference. Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's still a beautiful shimmer, so I'm not mad, but that fallout, oh. My face is like all sparkly and blue now. All right, I am so sorry. My camera just shut off and I have no clue when it had stopped recording. So in case you haven't noticed already, I put on this dark bluish purple shade here, which is another shimmery, sparkly shade. And I've just been putting that on the outer corner of my eye just to add that dimension I want. And I'm really liking it so far. I think it looks really cool. I just want to take one quick second and show you this, just this. Oh gosh. Does not mean they're terrible at all. These are beautiful shadows, but the fallout is just a little bit much. I mean, my gosh. It's just something to note so that you know when you use them, just put on that extra powder under your eyes to catch any of it, or just do your eyes first and then do your foundation. I tried to get it away the best that I could. I'm sorry if you see blue on my face for the rest of this video. I just can't avoid it. I did the best I could. I really don't know why, but I really want to put this peachy orange shade on my lower lash line. Will it look good? I don't know, but we can see, right? Let's just see. Okay, so I did have to build this color quite a bit. I went in with several layers, but I finally got it to look pretty much how it looks in the pan. I'm not sure if I want to go in with this dark matte green here or not. I'm just gonna go for it, okay? All right, I think that actually looks pretty cool. It's got lots of dimension going on. It's great. Again, with this color, I had to build it up. It did not just go on super pigmented, which I don't mind. I don't mind building up because I have a tendency to go overboard at first. So that really helps me to keep things in, reel them back, and build as I go, rather than just put too much on, freak out, and have to go in and fix it all up, you know? I did kind of wing out that green too on the bottom there because I'm not going to do any winged liner. This would look best to just leave it like this, pop on some lashes, and that would be that. It's got enough going on as it is. Doesn't need any more. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I think that is exactly what I'm gonna go do right now. I'm gonna put on some lashes and then I'll be back. We'll do a little bit of highlighter and we'll be done. Oh my God, so I'm back. I have my lashes and everything and I am in love. It looks so cool. I'm actually ready to do some highlighting and some lips. So let's do that really quick. I don't want to take too much longer with this. I'm in a toss-up between my Jeffree Star's Ice Cold, and then I also have Peach Goddess, which I have not used yet. I haven't touched, and I think I want to go with it since we're going with new things today. This is what it looks like. I did take a little swatch right there the other day. Okay. Ooh. Girl. Ooh. Look at that. Alright guys, and for my lips, I put on Nathan by Jeffree Star, which is one of my absolute favorite nudes to pair with a bright colored look because it's got that warm, oh, I don't know, it's just perfect, okay? So that is it for this look. I think it is beautiful. I love it so much. I was a little nervous there, but once I got my lashes on and everything, it just came together. It looks so just... This palette definitely got my creative juices flowing, got my brain turning, everything working, and I love it. The colors in this palette just go together so beautifully. When you look at it, for me, it just gets everything working, and I'm just excited to create more looks with it. The shimmers, though, did have a lot of fallout for me, even when I did wet the brush. You could probably try using your fingers, see if that helps at all, but there was just so much fallout. And like I said, that is not a huge deterrent for me. I really think that you can work around it. If this is something you've been wanting to try, do it. I definitely think it's worth it. I haven't done a look like this in a long time, and it's really got me excited for the rest of this year and doing more fun, crazy looks like this. I know it's not super wearable, but if you're anything like me, you'll still go to the grocery store like this, you know? Like, who cares? What? If you're looking for something from her, you haven't tried it before, or you just want one of these Obsessions palettes, try this one out. I know it might be intimidating, but I bet you'll love it, and I bet you'll create something great. If you're not into the crazy colors, then go for it. Go for one of the other ones. If you have to have that Mauve Obsessions, which You know, let's be honest, I almost did too. Do it. I think you'll love it. You do you, and whatever works for you will work for you. Before we end this video, I do have to mention that if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media as well. They are all Flawless LC. Snapchat is Flawless LKC. And yeah, until next time, guys, stay flawless.